Today, we're diving into an incredible spice that's been celebrated for centuries, turmeric. Known for its vibrant yellow color and unique flavor, turmeric is more than just a culinary delight. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for your immune system. Stick around to learn how turmeric can boost your immune system, its benefits, and various ways to use it. Now, before we begin, I have a small request for you. If you're passionate about staying healthy and discovering the best tips related to health and nutrition, please watch the full video so you don't miss any of the important information. Also, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Please remember that your support means a lot to us. Now, let's dive in. First, let's talk about what makes turmeric so special. The secret lies in a compound called curcumin, which is the main active ingredient in turmeric. Curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In fact, it's these properties that make turmeric so effective in boosting your immune system. Research has shown that chronic inflammation plays a major role in many diseases, including heart disease, cancer, metabolic syndrome, Alzheimer's, and various degenerative conditions. Curcumin can help fight chronic inflammation at the molecular level, potentially preventing and helping to treat these conditions. Inflammation is your body's way of fighting off invaders and repairing damage. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can attack your body's own tissues. Curcumin blocks molecules that play a crucial role in inflammation, providing relief and protection from chronic inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology found that curcumin can modulate the activation of T cells, B cells, macrophages, and other immune cells, enhancing your immune system's ability to fight off infections. But that's not all. Turmeric is also packed with antioxidants. These molecules combat oxidative stress, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. By neutralizing free radicals, turmeric helps to keep your cells healthy and your immune system functioning optimally. In a nutshell, antioxidants are your body's defense against harmful free radicals. By boosting your antioxidant capacity, turmeric ensures that your body can fight off oxidative stress more effectively. Before I talk more about turmeric, if you are finding this content valuable, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video as well. We post weekly tips on health and nutrition on this channel. Please remember that health is the ultimate wealth. To get regular information, please like and subscribe to our channel. Let's pick up where we left off. So, how can you incorporate turmeric into your diet? The simplest way is to add it to your food. It's a key ingredient in many Indian dishes and can be added to soups, stews, smoothies, and teas. A popular way to consume turmeric is in the form of golden milk. Simply mix a teaspoon of turmeric with warm milk, add a pinch of black pepper, and sweeten with honey. Speaking of black pepper, did you know that it enhances the absorption of curcumin? Black pepper contains piperine, a natural substance that increases the absorption of curcumin by 2,000%. So, always pair turmeric with a bit of black pepper to maximize its benefits. If cooking with turmeric isn't your thing, you can also take it in supplement form. Look for supplements that contain piperine to ensure you're getting the most out of the curcumin. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. While turmeric is generally safe, it's important to consume it in moderation. High doses can cause digestive issues. The recommended dosage is around 500 to 2,000 milligrams of turmeric extract per day, containing curcumin at 95% concentration. Turmeric isn't just beneficial when consumed, it can also be used topically. It has been used for centuries in skincare for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Applying a turmeric mask can help with acne, brighten your skin, and reduce dark circles. Here's a simple DIY turmeric mask recipe. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric with yogurt and honey, apply it to your face, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. Your skin will thank you. To recap, turmeric is a versatile and powerful spice with numerous health benefits, particularly for your immune system. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a must-have in your diet and skincare routine. So, why not start incorporating turmeric into your daily life today? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.